Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Meme, and you're welcome to NPS TV. So, if you're new here, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification to get notified whenever I make a new post. And if you find the video helpful, do not forget to give us a thumbs up. We love you guys. So guys, on today's video we're going to be teaching you how to make your brows yourself, how to draw your brows like a professional that you are. So we're going to be needing four instruments. Do I call it instruments? Yeah, we're going to be needing four instruments. At first we're going to be needing our Sasha cup, our Sasha buttercup setting powder. We're gonna be needing a fluffy brush. You can call it fluffy or a blending brush. I use a blending brush. So my angled brush, two-headed angled brush, a mascara wand, and an angled brush. So we're gonna be using our eye pencil. You can use any eye pencil of your choice. You can use any eye pencil. You can use this one, and you can also use this one. So on this video I'm gonna be using this one. So guys, I'm gonna be needing our foundation, our concealer, sorry, but I always use my foundation because I find it very cool. So I use my foundation instead of a primer. Sorry, I use my foundation instead of a concealer. But though it's the same thing, I use my baby skin foundation. So guys, let's dive into the video. Guys, we're gonna be setting our brows with our Sasha cup butter, a Sasha cup setting powder. We're gonna be setting our brows first. First of all, we apply a setting powder all over our eyebrows. Hope you guys are seeing it. So we'll be using a fluffy brush to do this magic. So after blending the setting powder out, we're gonna be needing our brows. I call it wand, a brow wand, to brush our brows up in order for us to get a straight line to trace on. So brushing it up. So I'm going ahead to use my eye pencil. So you draw a straight line. Hope you guys are seeing it. You draw a straight line, then you bring it down. Hope you guys are seeing. So on top, you're not going to start from the beginning. You're going to start from anywhere, but do not touch the beginning. Do not touch the beginning. So we're going ahead to shade it. We're not going to shade it so dark. We're going ahead to shade. So on the beginning of our brows, on the beginning of our drawing, we're gonna be drawing a stroke, a light stroke. You don't want to leave a harsh line on your brows, so you're gonna be doing it just small stroke, because you don't want to leave a harsh line and you don't want to mess up your brows. Small stroke. So guys, we're done. We're going ahead to use our wand again to brush this edge up. We'll brush the beginning, we'll brush it up, then inside will slide. Hope you guys are seeing the difference. Up here, then you slide inside. So I'm gonna be going into my foundation. I'm using color 2. Yeah, color 2 is actually my color. So I'll be using color 2. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. You take this beautiful foundation with your brush. So let's dive into the brows. So guys, we're gonna be starting from the center. I don't like starting from the edge. I don't like starting from the beginning because I do not want to ruin my brows. So I'll be starting from the center. So I've done this beautiful line, so I'm going ahead to start from the beginning. Hope you guys are seeing this wonderful work. You're gonna make sure your eyebrows is very neat. Make sure your concealer is very smooth. So I'll be using my blending brush to blend the foundation with my skin. Blend it with your skin. Yeah guys, so we're going ahead to do the up. So guys, hope you guys are seeing. So guys, we're gonna head to use our blending brush again to blend, 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 blend. So we'll be using our brush again to brush the front, brush it up. So guys, we'll be moving. were able to achieve something